Hello, this is Eric of Not Bios, and this is the PTP Total Resistance System. So this is something that's affordable if you're looking for a full body workout. I've not used this yet, but let's find out if this is worth your money to get. So here's some packaging. We actually see it's a 13-piece system. There's an online video to view. And of course, we have all the little details throughout the box, including a show of all the different accessories right up here. So we got that little top package. We are now left with this box right here with a magnetic holder, and everything's inside. So this looks like an information pamphlet, including the little bag for all your equipment, your resistance straps, and to do your workout wherever you are without the need of a gym. US dollars is what, about 125-ish? I bought it for about 160 Canadian. So that'd be about 125, 120 American dollars. And then we also have our grips. Nice strong material, nice strong grip that you're not gonna squish down. And of course, again, very, very strong. So this is well built. We also have this other accessory. I actually never checked what this is, but of course you could say mount this to the ceiling on a hook and of course work down from there. So if you mount it to the ceiling, you could actually do pull downs. And of course that would give you some other exercise options. And this is kind of silly, but it's for a doorway workout in progress. Yeah, interesting. So in this booklet, we have a whole pile of different exercises you go through. And of course, there's page after page after page of different type of exercises. Here's the ankle accessory. So you put this around your ankle. So the idea is you'd put it through the loop here, and then you turn it down this way, and then you Velcro it. So then you can attach to this, and it's very, very strong. So that's nice build quality. So you have two of these, one for each ankle. You also have one for the door. So you normally put this through a doorway, and then of course the door closes and it can't pull through. And again, very strong. And of course we have all our different weights here for different tension. So let's go through that. This comes with many different tension bands: 5.5 kilograms, 7.5 kilograms, 12.4, 14.9, and 22.4. So if I were to choose, say, this one here, all I get is the clasp here and put the ring through, and then I put the other side through and I'm good to go. So let's get an example here of one that I'll use. So let's say I want to use this one here. So the other end I just leave blank for the moment, and I want to use the door jamb. So I'll grab this here. So this is supposed to prevent damage to your doorway. We slide it through. And then we get the other side, which we can now put through. And now we put it between the doorway. I just simply put this between the door and then close it so it's caught. And of course you want to make sure that your door's not going to slide out. So if your latch is no good, this is not going to work. It's going to pull your door right down on you, and that won't be very much fun. Now when I'm up high like this, I can actually have my arms to the side and work those triceps and take turns, or even do both at the same time. And of course it'll be a matter if you're looking to gain stamina or actually build those muscles. So when it comes to workouts and endurance building, or say muscle building, for endurance, you'll generally want to go with less weight, more reps. So you may want to go 50 plus reps of a certain workout at a time. Though if you want to build more muscle, you may want to reduce that to say 30, even down to 20, and say do certain exercises, and say 10 minutes later come back to that same exercise and repeat that about 3 times in a day. It's a good idea to take a break, say every second day or so. So you may want to do your workout twice, 1 day off, 2 days, 1 day off, kind of thing. That allows your muscles to heal and build up better and stronger than before. Now, if I want to work the biceps, I can actually move this lower down so I can pull it upwards. And then put it underneath the door. So right now I have it underneath the door, and I can actually work out those biceps. So now to add more tension, I'm just going to add another green band to this, so I can actually give myself just a bit more without making excessive. This clamp, and add it to this here, and do the same thing on the other side. So they're both through the loop here, and then clamp it in on this side. And now I just simply put it underneath the door, close the door, keep the pull on the door to make sure it's closed properly, and now I do my workout. So you can see, that's quite a bit of force. I'm not an instructor. This is just an idea of how to use this. So maybe you're just wanting to do some leg exercises. You'll grab this one that velcros together, stick it on your ankle, and then wrap her up. And now right here is to clasp to your band and do each side. You can now do pullbacks or whatever exercise you're looking for. Let's say if you don't want to use the door jamb and you want to do some workouts, we can always step on the band. Generally, I'd prefer something better than my bare feet because the band does have some uncomfortable feeling standing on it. So some form of shoe or slipper could be more comfortable, of course, than simply standing on this. And then, of course, you can do your curls. But let's say you want to do straight up. You can do that as well. These bands are very strong and can be flexed very far. But most of the workouts, a lot of them are all in this book. You can also purchase another guide with different training workouts for another $14 and some. Enough talk now, let's get down to business and show some quick workouts. It's the end of the day and you want to take all your stuff with you. And you need to pack all your items you have with you, that you brought with you, maybe to some other place to actually work out or outside. Just pack it all in your included bag. And once you're all packed, just close her up and you got yourself a little backpack. I've used other ones like this brand here. This one has held up decently, but I'd say that this feels higher quality than these. However, there are cheaper ones I use in this that I got at big box stores, not naming any names, and I snapped unit after unit after unit. So you do get some better quality, paying a little higher price, of course. And getting a total system is more worth what your while than, say, getting a bunch of singles or a couple of things where you can actually attach to different things, do different workouts. There are many cheaper models on Amazon. I have not used them. I can send a link below of one that's fairly highly rated, but of course, I don't know if the quality will nearly be the same. Feel free to leave a comment of what you thought of this system and your experience maybe with other systems that you've purchased in other brands. Of course, the one thing I like about this, there are no solid bars to carry around, no heavy weights. It's easily portable, and that's what makes this system work out for myself. Thanks for watching and have yourselves a most wonderful day.